Good day, all you lovely dotters out there. Today's how-to video is going to be about how to use adhesive dots or glue dots to diamond dot. I have in the past used the different color waxes, the pink wax, the blue wax. I've tried the quick stick, and I've even tried the wax pencils that you get. I am not a fan of either of them. My favorite way for dotting is a glue dot. And to give you an idea, with one glue dot, I can do 12 of this size blocks, sections, on my diamond painting with just one dot without having to replace or anything. First, I'm going to show you, there's two different sizes. You get this one, they call it a mini dot, you look there, 4.7 millimeters. And then you get your micro dot. On the box it says there, 3 millimeters in diameter. The 3 millimeter was very difficult to get hold of in South Africa. That is why I've ended up with both, but both of them work well. I have found a way to make the mini ones work for me. Let's first start with the mini dot, if you do manage to find the mini dot and want to use it. These ones, they come and you pull it back, and if you have a look, you'll see there's a little jelly thing there. That is your glue dot. You'll take your dotting pen, and with the tip you're going to lift it up to go into your pen. As you can see, not really in properly, but that's where I use my fine pinching tweezers. Now just push it in. So now if you look, the camera will focus, come on, it all looks nice and flat. This glue dot is ready to use. When you start using a glue dot, they're usually very sticky. So if you just tap a few times on your skin, or even just on the shirt or pants that you're wearing, that extra excessive stickiness will go away. And let me show you how nice it is. Let me just pull back my section. If you would like to see how I section my pictures, please feel free to go to my channel. I have a how-to video there. And if you can see how my rhinestones are sorted, there's another YouTube video where I show you how I sort them. These are now my small letter B's. Just shake it up, my stick with the glue stick, and I just pick up and go. It's as simple as that. And that will last me a long time. And you put the mini one down, just put this aside so I don't knock it up. Now for the mini glued spots. Remember, they're 4.7 millimeters in diameter, so they're a little bit on the large side to go into one of these points. But I found a solution. All you need is either your original covering that you've saved from your picture, or some Glad baking paper, or even a backside of Decifix. You take your roll, and you'll see there's the dots, the shiny parts, and I'll just stick it to this. Then I'll cut this strip. That, and I will see, don't know if you guys can, I'll try my best, but you can feel with your hand, you'll be able to feel the bumps, and you're going to cut each dot in half. In between each of these now, is half a glue dot, already sized for you. And then you do the exact same thing, and you're going to pick up the glue dot with your pen. Oh, look, it's gone totally to the side, but no worries. I have tweezers. And with the tweezer and my finger, I squeeze it in. And there, this glue dot is ready to go. Same as the previous one. Just take my rhinestones and off I go. Sometimes when it's very new, the rhinestone won't stay on the picture because the stick will be more sticky tacky than your picture and it will want to come up. If that happens, remember, just touch on your skin or on a piece of clothing a few times, and then that will go away, and then you go again. And then as soon as it's worked in after a minute or two and everything is wonderful, you're ready to go for hours and hours and hours before you have to remove this glue dot and replace it with another. If you are interested to know how the quick stick or the wax pen works, please feel free to look under my videos. I have put a review on for both of them. But personally, the glue dots, the micro or the mini, doesn't matter, are my favorite. Thank you for watching my video. Feel free to leave any comments down below. If there's any other how-to videos you would like to see, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see from you soon again. Have a lovely dotting day, guys.